Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me for another video tutorial. Excuse me. This week I'm featuring the Tea Boutique cards and envelopes. These are full-size cards. They come 20 in a pack. You get 4 of each of the new in colors. So we have Starry Sky. I love these coordinating envelopes. We have Orchid Opulence. We have Tahitian Tide, Sweet Sorbet, and of course the cute Parakeet Party. Love these things. So I'm just making some cute, simple, very quick cards. And today I'm going to do one using the Shaded Summer stamp set. This is on page 102 of the annual catalog. It has coordinating dies, but we're just going to use this gorgeous stamp set, and I really love the fonts that are in here. So I'm going to pull in Parakeet Party. Yeah, Parakeet Party. That's what I'm using. And I have a piece of basic black and basic white cardstock, and I'll have measurements on my blog with the link below. And I'm going to use this, whoops, got a dimensional paper there. I'm going to use this larger flower image from that set, and I'm going to just use a couple of my markers, Sweet Sorbet and Parakeet Party. We're going to do a little coloring on our stamped images. So I know many of you have done this before, so I'm just using the edges. Hopefully, I'm not the best at coloring, mostly because I can't see very well. So I'm just using the edges of my marker to color my stamp here. So I'm doing the Sweet Sorbet on the flowers. Oh, that's a flower, that's okay. Trying not to get it on the stems or the leaves. It's okay if I do though. Wipe it off. All right, and I'm gonna try to do these little berries here. And I'm just gonna do, oh, got a little bit there. What we can use is a blender pen. Just take it off. Wipe off our blender pen here. Just trying to get the berries, but not necessarily the big stems. I don't mind getting the berry stems. It's just too hard. It's too hard, so I'm just coloring the whole stem of the berry with the sorbet. All right, now let's use our Parakeet Party to color the leaves and the stems. And to save the tip of the markers, just make sure to color with the side. All right, one more leaf here. All right, hopefully I've got good coverage. All right, so we're gonna do a huff. Remoisten all that ink that dried up while we were coloring. And I'm gonna stamp it, kind of coming over at an angle. Hopefully, oh, that turned out good. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna take my blender pen, and I'm just gonna do a quick color on the flowers. Kind of bring in some of that color to fill in a little bit of the white space. All right, a little bit here. It kind of blends in that color too. All right, wipe it off, and we'll do a little bit of green on the leaves. Kind of gets a light fill-in color, and that's it. So even though we did a little coloring, it did not take long. All right, so I'm going going to do a birthday card. I'm just going to use some memento on the happy birthday and stamp that down here at the bottom right. Pretty. I love how that just kind of stands out. All right, let's adhere this down. Onto our basic black. Okay, and then I think we'll use some dimensionals on the back of this and pop it up a little bit, just to give the card a little extra dimension. All right. I'm going to center this, top and bottom, left to right, hopefully. As good as I can get that. All right. Now let's get our Wink of Stella and do a little bit of Wink of Stella on our flowers. You could do your leaves too if you wanted, but I'm just doing the flowers. Just for some fun sparkle. I would sparkle. All right, and then I've got my Sweet Sorbet Baker's Twine. This comes in a pack and you get one of each of the colors. And I'm gonna double this. And I'm gonna just do a little double bow. That's probably more than enough. So I've got two lengths and I'm just going to tie a bow. Back out. I'm going to tie that right there and then I'll have to trim it off. So let's grab a glue dot. Okay. Pop this on our glue dot. I can pull both those tails down there. Stick that right on the bottom of our stem, right below our flowers. Trim it a little bit. Isn't that sweet? Okay, last but not least, we're gonna have to add a couple of our brass butterflies. I love these things. That one's trying to get away. Let's grab it. Just put it right there. And that is all. Isn't that quick and easy? So cute. I don't know if you can see the glimmer a little bit. So cute. Okay, here's another one. This one is in Parakeet Party. So if you use, whatever color you're doing your flowers, as long as it goes with your card base, all your stuff is going to coordinate. So I hope you enjoyed this today. The link below to my blog, I will have supplies and measurements. Although it's not real hard, you could probably figure it out. But I will post those measurements and supplies. And then there's a link below also to my online store if you'd like to place an order. Please use the host code listed below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.